Now gold is not enough.
First practical topic is information gathering. So I will show you information gathering live. So for that I will be using a tool called Wireshark. All these tools link will be provided in the WhatsApp group with the PowerPoint presentations that I am showing. So no one need to worry. So basically this is called Wireshark. So Wireshark is a tool which can be used for packet capturing and analyzing. So now what is a packet? Whenever we try to access any link or we are in a network, there the data that travels in the network, the data travels in form of small packets. So if you are in a particular network and you are turning on this Wireshark tool, then whatever data is traveling in that network, and if the data is in unprotected manner, that data can be sniffed. So I will show you how can we get access to the data. So I am opening a link here. I am opening a link here which is a HTTP website. So, and this is a WordPress website. So I will try to open the WordPress login page. So this is the WordPress login page. Here you can see that this is a not protected website. And here is my Wireshark turned on. So whenever I will put an ID password here, a packet will be generated and it will be sent to the so that the login can be validated. So I will not put the original ID password. I will yes, Debojyoti Datta, you can view ARP packets in Wireshark also. So I will put a wrong ID and password and I will show you that that ID and password has been sniffed. So what ID password I will use? I will use the ID as admin and I will use the password as ethical hacking. So this is the ID and password I am going to use. So I am copying this password and I am pasting it here. Before clicking on this login button, I will turn on the Wireshark. So in Wireshark, you can see all my network interfaces are there. Currently, I am connected to my Wi-Fi interface. So therefore, I will click on the Wi-Fi interface and in the top left corner, there is a blue colored button. This is the sniffing button. I will click on this so that the packets start getting sniffed. You can see all the packets are getting sniffed here, that is traveling through my network. Now I will click on this login button. So I have entered wrong username password, so it has given the error. But as soon as I have clicked on that login button, a HTTP packet was generated through my browser. So here in the search field at the top, I will search for HTTP packets. Now you can see two packets have find out here for HTTP, and here is the page WP login. I was there. So here is the page for WP login. I will right click on this packet. I will click on follow and I will click on HTTP stream. So the detailed packet description will come here. So once again, I am repeating, I have opened this login page. I have entered the ID and password. I have an HTTP website. Before clicking on the login button, I have turned on my Wireshark's intercept and I have clicked on the login button then. Once I have clicked on the login button, a HTTP request was generated. From there, I have filtered out the HTTP packets. Here is the WP login packet, that is the website's URL I have visited. From here, I will click on right click, follow HTTP stream. So here I have got the total packet detail that was generated. And here you can see that this is the ID and password which I have entered into that website. So login ID is admin and ethical hacking is the password that I have entered. So this is why I have, this is how I have captured the ID and password. Guys, what the questions I am seeing that Gagan ji, the website URL I am sending in the chat box, you can check this. Okay. Next is, what is the second HTTP packet that was captured? So the second HTTP packet that was captured is, let me check once, 1 second just. Okay, so this is the error page request that was captured. This is for Shaurya Agarwal. This request is of the error page that got loaded after the wrong ID password was entered. Anurag Narwani, if the site was HTTPS, then the ID password would not have been in clear text. The ID password would have been in encrypted form. Guys, I am telling everyone, please take a snapshot of this chat box, chat link, because this is the only link I am sending it to everyone. Everyone, please check the link. I will, if I keep on talking about the link, I wouldn't be able to complete the topic. So I will request everyone to please take a snapshot of the link as soon as possible. The link is working because many of the students have joined already. I can see there are more than 50 people who have already joined. So the link is working. Everyone, please copy the link and take the snapshot. I am moving on. Acha. So this was information gathering over a same network. So anyone have any doubt regarding the information gathering or the Wireshark process I have shown? You can ask. I can give you 5 minutes for that. So if anyone have any question, please ask me. Anyone any question? Otherwise, I will move on with the next topic. Okay, someone is asking for a short synopsis. Gagan, I can assure you that the recording of this session will be sent in the WhatsApp group, so you can see the process repeated there again. How to get the admin password of that site. Arshad, the admin password of that site is a protected one. That is why I have not shown you. Harish, all the tools will be the Wireshark that you want to download. The link will be given to you. I have prepared a mega drive link where all the softwares for today's workshop have been kept. I will forward the link in the WhatsApp group. Everyone will get access to the WhatsApp group, to the tools. Srijoni Chakraborty, yes, I will show how to hack an Android device. Guys, please only tell your doubts about the Wireshark process or the information gathering. Otherwise, I will move on with the next topic. Aniket Roy, yes, Wireshark work with all HTTP websites. It also work with HTTPS websites also, but there the data is in encrypted form due to the SSL certificate. Shomojit Biswas, anything, any data generated from any device in the particular network can be sniffed with Wireshark. No, Jeevanantham, there is no way to hack a website using Wireshark. It is only used to gather informations. Debojyoti Datta, there is no alternative for Wireshark. There are some tools in Kali Linux, but they are advanced tool. As you all are fresher, I am not showing those tools. If you want to see those tools, please mention in the WhatsApp group. I will give the videos of those tools gradually. Hitesh Parmar, yes, sniffing is only being done using Wireshark. Aniket Roy, yes, your data can be leaked with this process. If someone is using Wireshark in the network, data can be leaked. Will you show anything related to hacking Instagram and Facebook? Yeah, I will show how to hack a Facebook account.